All right, so great. Let's talk about Yes and Amen. Yes and Amen track of Yes and Amen album by TOPE ALABI. This song ministers to me personally, and I decided to make you understand the Yoruba words in it in English. So let's go. See, Ami Asheida Alamo. Right. So the word Ami Asheida Alamo. The word Ami, she equates it with God. She said Amen in English. So Amen, Asheida, authority of creation. Alamo is the mother, right? So Ami, Asheida, Alamo, Amen, the authority of creation, the mother. So she's laying the attribute, the name of God. So God, the authority of creation, the molder. Ẹni tí ò ní apàdánù. Ẹni tí ò ní apàdánù. That means whoever that doesn't have him will lose, right? So ẹni tí ò ní apàdánù. Ẹni tí ò ní máa pàdánù. That means whoever doesn't have God will lose completely. She now says, right? Iba iba to fun oluimo. That means iba, reference. Reference is iba. So that's why I say mojuba, I reference you, right? So iba to that is due to oluimo. Olu is the head, imo is knowledge. So head of knowledge. The one that has the peak of knowledge. So ibatoto fun oluimo. So from the beginning, Ami Asheida Alamo. Ẹni tí ò ní apàdánù. Ibatoto fun oluimo. So Amen, God of creation, the one, the molder, right? Anyone who doesn't have him will lose completely. So reference to you, the one, the peak of knowledge. So ẹni tí ò ní ọ ò ní nǹkankan. That means whoever doesn't have you doesn't have anything. So anyone who doesn't have God does not have anything, right? Ẹni tí ò ní ọ ò ní nǹkan. So she's saying whoever doesn't have you doesn't have anything. Whoever doesn't have you doesn't have anything. Ẹni tí ò ní ọ kò ní nǹkankan. Ẹni tí ò ní ọ kò ní nǹkankan. Mo wá rí fọ́ba tó ní dídá ayé. Right. Mo wá rí fọ́ba tó ní dídá ayé. That means the word worry means to come trembling, to come with deep reference to God that has the mode of creation, that that knows how the world came to be, right? Mo wari foba Tony dida ye. So ibare mare, this is your reference, this is your adoration. Onigbede orun. The word bede is better described, you know. Now picture someone that is big, he has authority, and he comes to his house and he sits with so much ease because it's his house, right? So that is bede is the sound you make, like bede, like no trouble, right? So ibare mare onigbede orun, the one that has the seat of throne in heaven, right? Right. You see the word ikawo, that means within your hand, within your reach. So she now says, Iwo God, you that owns the world, that has the word in your palm. right? Botido yikato, as enormous, as big, as vast as it is, right? Ìwọ tó ní gbogbo ayé ní ìkáwọ́ botido yikato.
Ìbà onímọ̀ tó ga jù, bàbá ni bàbá ń ṣe.
So ìbà onímọ̀ tó ga jù, ìbà, reference to the one that has the peak of knowledge. Hey, bàbá ni bàbá ń ṣe. Father na father, that means father is father, because God has the peak of power, peak of wisdom, peak of knowledge.
Àṣẹ ìdá mo gbé bá.
Àmì àṣẹ ìdá alámọ̀.
Ẹni tí ò ní ọ̀kẹ́.
Ẹni tí ò ní àpàdánù.
Ńlá ló pa láyé lọ.
Ìbà ó tó olú ìmọ̀.
Tó mórí bá o. Ẹni tí ò ní ọkọ̀ ní nǹkan kan. Ẹni tí ò ní ọkọ̀.
Who does not have anything. That means doesn't have anything